Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the Girl Boss Beauty community. I'm Stacey Elaine, and today I'm going to share a recent skincare and fragrance haul with you guys. If you watched my last video, which you should, I'll link it right here, then you know I have recently used up so many products. And in that video, I told you what was good, what was worth repurchasing. And I also asked you guys if you knew how I could save money on some of those products, because some are just uber expensive. So today I'm going to share how I chose to save money on some nighttime skincare products. I have products for the daytime. I have a vitamin C serum. I have a moisturizer for the day. I have my sunscreen for the day, but I mostly used up all of my nighttime skincare products, including my nighttime eye cream. I used up my serum, which was the Advanced Repair from Estee Lauder. And I'm at the very tail end of using my nighttime moisturizer. So I really needed quite a few products, but y'all know I always check my budget and the bills. And my budget said, try to find this stuff at a discount. So I went to Marshall's. And I forgot how good the deals are at Marshall's, you guys. So I'll start off with the first product. I'll share what I paid for it, and then I will look up all of the real prices at Sephora. If you like the vibe, please subscribe. So let's get into today's video. So the first product that I picked up is the Peter Thomas Roth Peptide 21 Wrinkle Resist Moisturizer. So I am 40 years old, a few months from being 41, and I am noticing some fine lines on my forehead. You may say, girl, you look so young, but I see aging. So most of these skincare products are anti-aging. So the first product is anti-aging. It is the Peptide 21 Wrinkle Resist Moisturizer. I paid $39.99 for this product, and on Sephora's website it retails for $95, but it has like 9,000 hearts and loves, and it has all like 4.5 out of 5 stars. It says it is good for hydrating, anti-aging, good for loss of firmness in the skin, and it has hyaluronic acid. So it is a wrinkle fighting moisturizer infused with a complex of 21 peptides and neuropeptides plus 2 gamma proteins to deliver lightweight yet intense hydration. So this is the first product I picked up, and since I paid about $40 for this, I saved $55 by buying this at Nordstrom. And yes, it is still at Sephora right now. The second product that I picked up is also by Peter Thomas Roth. It is the Pro Strength Retinoid Peptide Serum. Now, I did a lot of research on this product while I was in the aisles, and I saw that this product originally retailed for $110 at Sephora. I was able to get it for $50. I do believe they still have this line, this Pro Strength line. This is a very strong retinoid. It is only for night, and it is not to be used every single night to start off with. But the products in this line range from 90, or I'll say 65. The other Pro Strength serum is 88. The Pro Strength treatment in this exact same line goes up to $140. The new serum, it seems like that they have now to replace this, is a glycolic retinol resurfacing serum. That sounds like it's gonna burn the skin off my face, and it's $65. So this I paid $50 for, and so I kind of saved like $60 on this. The new, they have a retinol fusion PM night serum as well. And now I am getting This is only 1 fluid ounce. So I was able to save, I guess you can say like somewhere between $20 and $60, but it looks like this specific product is no longer being sold at Sephora. I'm okay with it. I'm going to see how it works on my skin. There are so many reviews online and on YouTube of this, and it is a holy grail for a lot of people. So I'm going to use this for my retinol and try to get my skin back beautiful. One product that I specifically asked you guys if there was a dupe for, or if I could get it cheaper, was the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Gel Serum. And in Marshall's, they had a couple Estee Lauder products. They seem to be products that Estee Lauder just recently discontinued from their full Advanced Night Repair line. I'm okay with that. All of the products from the Estee Lauder Advanced Repair line basically have the same ingredients. They do, like the serums, the eye creams, the oils. They basically just have different slight formulas where they can charge you different prices to put it on different parts of your face. So this is what I chose for the eye cream. It's the Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. Let me see how much this cost. Oh, this is still being sold at Sephora right now. The Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix is $82 American dollars, as I like to say. And I spent $40 on this. It has 4 out of 5 stars. 5,500 people have loved it. It says it's good for loss of firmness, anti-aging, good for dark circles. It's formulated without mineral oils, sulfates, or parabens. And what it is an ultra nourishing eye concentrate that reduces the look of lines in every eye zone while also targeting firmness, puffiness, and dark circles. So basically it does exactly what the last product I had did, but I actually think I get more product. And it comes in this bottle like this. So this is how I saved money on the last eye cream. I bought what was at Marshall's, and it's going to do the exact same thing, and it's from the same line. And I guess this is not discontinued because it is still at Sephora right now. Now, as you guys know, I have been a long time lover of the Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex Serum. And I'm just like, I don't know about spending $110. That's what the 1 ounce bottle costs. I don't know about that. And so at Marshall's, they had a recently discontinued product, and it's actually an oil, but it's from the exact same line. It's the Intensive Recovery Ampoules. Now, they also have this, I feel like they replaced it with the Intense Reset Concentrate that retails for $92. I picked this up for $60, so I saved about $32. But from the Night Repair Serum, that's $110. I basically saved, what did I say? 60. I basically saved $50. And so these come in little individualized capsules. It's actually an oil, and everyone raved about this online, and they said it's like when you just look tired and you look stressed and your skin just looks like you've been dragged through and you need a reset. They were like, use this at night. And so I plan on using this in between the nights, on the nights when I'm not using my retinoid, because I'm not going to use this every night. I plan to use this. And so that is what I got from Marshall's. And then I'll show you my day eye cream. I have been using the Bliss Rest Assured Complete Eye Vitamin C. I picked this up from Target, and I think it was, let me see how much it is before I start lying to you guys. I should just do my homework. Okay, this Bliss Eye Cream from Target has 4.5 stars out of 5. It retails for $20.99, and it says that it targets dark circle reducing and depuffing. So I use it in the day. I used it this morning. I don't have on any foundation today. I just have on sunscreen. I did put on some mascara though and some lip gloss for you guys. And then when I also went to Sephora, because some things, honey, you just not gonna find at Marshall's, and you gotta pay the coin, and this is what I decided to pay the coin for. My spring fragrance is going to be the Valentino Born in Roma Intense. Y'all, this smells so good. So last year I bought the Valentino Born in Roma. It was new at the time, and oh my gosh, it has been my absolute favorite fragrance for the last year. And so I just knew that when they said they came out with the intense version, I needed to get it. Now, because you know these are not Marshall's prices, the 1.7 ounce bottle was $130. Now, I did get it from Sephora because on my bank card, they were giving 10% cash back for if you bought something in store at Sephora. So I bought this in store, and then while I was in the checkout line, I picked up another skincare product, and it is by Topicals. This has been sold out. I wanted to try it for such a long time because I have a lot of pigmentation on my skin, and I just recently got a couple pimples, you can see right here, and so I want to use the Topicals Faded Cream. I'm going to put it on my dark marks probably like every other day as well, and then build up to get rid of the hyperpigmentation in my skin. And so I picked this up, and this retailed for $18, but since I'm getting 10% back, it was almost like this was free, to be honest. And it comes in this tube like this. And so that is what I got from Sephora. I only got these two products, and I still got 10% off of this. I'm doing the best I can to save money, you guys. I bought my day eye cream from Target, $20.99. And then all the rest of the nighttime skincare products that I really, really needed that are from reputable brands, I picked up from Marshall's. And as you can see, they were probably 30 to 50% off. I have no regrets. I'm really excited to start using these products because they are from lines that I already use the products from. And as you can see in my empties, I had Peter Thomas Roth products as well as Estee Lauder, and I was trying to save money, and this is how I did it, honey. So when I tell you I love the beauty and I love the fashion, but baby, my budget and my bills will get checked, and they will tell me how much we can spend on these things. And my budget said, go look for a discount. So I will use these products. If you've used any of these, please let me know in the description box below. If you love the vibe, subscribe for more products. I'll probably give updates in future videos, so you won't want to miss that. And as I say in every video, be blessed to be a blessing, Girl Boss Beauties. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.